A pleasant day, everyone. We have embraced the cold weather. Rather than spend winter on a resting state, we got moving. In this video, we visited Petone, one of the oldest European settlements in the region of Wellington. We started our walk on a sunny winter morning. Here's the map to show our itinerary. The Petone Wharf is temporarily closed for repair due to earthquake damage. While filming underneath the wharf, a dog came running past me. The dog happily splashed and frolicked in the water. We walked along the Esplanade, enjoying the warmth of the sun, which made our walk more enjoyable. It was a nice calm day in Petone. The nice weather drew a lot of people to the Esplanade.
This building was previously called the Wellington Provincial Centennial Memorial. It was built to commemorate the arrival of the first British immigrants to Petone shores in 1840. It opened in January 1940 and also served as a bathing pavilion. The bow of the first migrant ship, the Aurora, is attached to the front of the building. This building is now called Petone Settlers Museum.
Upon entering the museum, murals can be seen along the upper walls. These panels tell different stories of people's lives, places, and events.
The museum is loaded with information and artifacts that tells the story and history of both the Maori and European settlements in Petone. Puna Waiora, meaning spring of life, is a sculpture. The stack of vessels is a fountain. The single vessel on a pedestal has taps where you can fill up your containers with pure artesian water.
The artesian water comes from the Hot River and enters the artesian aquifer. The water is free from microorganisms and is safe to drink because it is naturally filtered. People come to this area to collect the water for drinking.
Built in 1908, this is the old police station and jail museum. In the late 1940s, the jail was used mainly for drunk offenders. This building was relocated next door to the new Petone police station.
The Lighthouse Cinema was built in 1927 as a hall for the Petone Labour Party. The building became a cinema in 2002 and is heritage listed. St. Augustine's Church is an Anglican church and one of Wellington's finest timber churches. Historically, it is the first church of the Anglican parish of Petone that served the community for nearly 100 years. St. Augustine is an example of Gothic architecture. It was constructed in the early 1900s.
Jackson Street is the only street in the Wellington Region to be given the heritage status. Many of Jackson Street's shops and buildings are more than 100 years old. Food-wise, Jackson Street is a must-visit for food lovers. As we stroll along the street, we saw a plethora of eateries. Here are some of the eateries that we tried.
This is the end of our visit to Petone. See you in our next video. Thank you all for watching. Maraming salamat po.